Good morning, children. Let's begin with Standard 6, English Grammar, Unit 4, Adjectives, Kinds of Adjectives, Part 2. So, in the first part, we learnt about what are adjectives. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. And we also learned that there are 6 types of different adjectives. For example, adjective of quality, quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, and adjective of number. So we had completed 4 exercises and now we start with exercise 5. You have to take the right choice to fill the blank. So your first one is, sorry Roshan, you cannot borrow dash book. It is meant for senior students. So your choice is such, this, these and those. So your right answer will be this book, because we are talking only about one book and we are pointing out. We have to fill in with demonstrative adjectives. Second one, I hate to make friends with dash boys. They spoil you. So here your options are these, that, such, this. So we need to write such boys. The third one, the king once built a palace on dash hills. Your options are yonder, that, this and such. So it will be yonder. Fourth, dash rascals must be arrested by the police. Your options, this, such, those, that. So we need to write those. Fifth, do not be in dash hurry. Options, that, such, this, these. So your correct answer is such. So all these are pointing out and we say that these are demonstrative adjectives. So exercise 6, fill in the blanks with correct adjectives. Now here we need to fill in with the possessive adjective and interrogative adjectives. Any sentence with a question we will fill in with an interrogative adjective. And possessive adjectives are which show possession or belongings. Okay, so let us start. First one, she came to dash house to study. So it will be my house. Second, dash time is it? It's a question mark. You are asking a question. So it will be what time is it? Third one, in dash room do you practice dancing? Again a question. So it will be which room? Fourth, go to dash school to play a game in the evening. Go to your school. It shows your belonging. Fifth one, dash car was stolen yesterday. It's a question. So again, whose car? Sixth, she wants dash storybook back. Please return it immediately. So her storybook. Seventh, this patch of ground is used by dash students to grow vegetables. So our students. Eighth, dash garden was spoiled by the sudden storm. They lost all the beautiful flowers. So their garden. Now exercise 7, we need to underline the adjectives in the sentences and say what kind of adjective it is. And first we will pick out the noun. So we will know that which adjective it is. So the first one, I know a funny little man. So your noun is man. So what question will you ask? What kind of man? We get the answer funny and little. So you underline funny and little and you this will be your adjective of quality because it answers the question what kind. Second one, the way was long, the wind was cold. So your nouns are way and wind. What kind of way was it? It was long. What kind of wind it was? It was cold. So again, what kind will give you the adjective of quality. So long and cold you underline and they are adjectives of quality. Third one, he is a man of few words. Now words is your noun. Correct? So now how many words? Few words. So this few will be your adjective of number. But which number? Indefinite. It does not show any count. So it is an indefinite number. Your fourth one, I have told you this many times before. So your noun is times. Again you ask the question how many times, you get the answer many. So many will be your adjective of number. Again this number is which? Indefinite. Fifth one. How many marks did you get? So your noun is marks. Again you ask the question how many? So you get many. So again many will be your adjective of number. Which number? Indefinite. Sixth one. He is 90 years old. So your noun is years. You ask the question how many years? You get the answer 90. So this again 90 will be adjective of number. But this time it is a definite number. The seventh sentence. An empty vessel makes much noise. So your noun is vessel. What kind of noise? Empty. So that will be your adjective of quality. There is another noun also, noise. So you ask the question how much noise? Much noise. So much will be adjective of quantity. The eighth one. There is little hope of her recovery. Your noun is hope. You need to ask the question how much hope? Little hope. So little will be your adjective of quantity. Ninth one. Some dreams are like reality. So your noun is dream. So now how many dreams? Some dreams. So some will be your adjective of number and it is an indefinite number. 10th one. He lives on yonder mountains. Your noun is mountains. Now these yonder is a demonstrative word. It is pointing out that side. So it will be a demonstrative adjective. Now exercise 8. We need to fill in the blanks with the adjectives opposite in the meaning of those printed in the red. Okay. Now the opposites are given to you in the bracket. Let us read. Foolish, dead, big, dishonest, true, sour, cowardly and guilty. So now let's begin with the sentence. First one. A wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. Opposite of wise is foolish. Second, a live ass is better than a dead lion. I forgot to write there, so it will come dead. Opposite of live is dead. Third one, a false story does not appeal to us, a true one. So the opposite of false is true. Fourth one, an honest man is liked by all. A dishonest man is not liked by anyone. So the opposite of honest is dishonest. The fifth one, a small leak may sink a big ship. Opposite of small, big. Sixth, sugar is sweet, but a lemon is sour. Opposite of sweet, sour. Seventh, a brave man hates a cowardly fellow. So opposite of brave will be cowardly. Eighth, we all praise an innocent person but hate a guilty one. So opposite of innocent will be guilty. So these all are the opposites adjectives. Now exercise 9. We have to change the words into adjectives by using FUL, LESS, OUS, EN, Y, ISH or IVE. We need to add this after the word given to us. So your first one is air. So what do you need to add? Y. So it becomes airy. And now this airy is an adjective. Second is care. What do you need to add? FUL or you can also add LESS. So it will become careful or careless. And both these are your adjectives. Third one, boy. You add an ISH. It becomes boyish. Fourth, wool. You add LEN. So it will become woolen. Fifth, heart. Add an L-E-S-S, it will become heartless. 6. Fury. Remove the Y and add an I-O-U-S, it will become furious. 7th, gold. Add an E-N, it will become golden. 8th, truth. Add F-U-L, it will become truthful. 9th, faith. Again add an F-U-L, it will become faithful. 10th, fear. You add F-U-L or L-E-S-S. So it will become fearful or fearless. 11th, wonder. Again add F-U-L, it will become wonderful. 12th, dark. Add an E-N, so it will become darken. So all these, after adding L-E-S, F-U-L, I-O-U-S, E-N, they become adjectives. Your 13th one, silk. Add an E-N, it will become silken. 14th, wood. Add an E-N, it will become wooden. 15th, hope. Add L-E-S-S or F-U-L. So it will become hopeless or hopeful. 16th, talk. You add A-T-I-V-E, it will become talkative. 7th, peace. Add F-U-L, peaceful. 18th, beauty. Remove the Y, add I-F-U-L, it will become beautiful. 19th, mercy. Add F-U-L or L-E-S-S. So it will become merciful or merciless. 20, cheer. Again add F-U-L or L-E-S-S. It will become cheerful or cheerless. So all these we can form our adjectives by adding F-U-L, E-N, I-V-E. So these are our adjectives. Now exercise 10. You have to read the following passage and underline the adjectives and state which adjective it is. So you have a paragraph in your textbooks. So I have written all the adjectives, so you need to underline those adjectives and write that which adjective it is. So your first adjective in that passage is noisy. It is adjective of quality. Then second, thin. It is adjective of quality. Third, mine. It is a possessive adjective. Fourth, grey. It is again an adjective of quality. Fifth, two. It is adjective of number. Sixth, white. Adjective of quality. Seventh, its is twice in that passage. So both are possessive adjectives. Eighth, three. Adjective of number. 9, tiny and bold. Both are adjectives of quality. 10th, angry. Adjective of quality. 11th, her. It's a possessive adjective. 12th, short. It is adjective of quality. 13, her. Again possessive adjective. 14, first. It is adjective of number. 15, little. Adjective of quality. 16, strong. Adjective of quality. 17, anxious. Adjective of quality. And 18, important. So adjective of quality. So now children, we finish all our exercises and I hope you have understood this lesson of adjectives and the different kinds of adjectives. Now the homework for this part is that you need to write all the exercises into your grammar notebook. And remember to please write neatly. So thank you and have a nice day.